Join me for a damage-free removal of the Gentle Gels Builder Gel. Using a 120 grit nail file, begin to file away the shiny protective top coat. You may apply the needed pressure during this process as this will not cause damage to your natural nail. Remember to also file around the cuticle area and side walls. You've now filed away a great deal of the Builder Gel. As such, the next step is optional. If comfortably skilled enough to do so, you can also use an e-file to further debulk the Builder Gel that is remaining on the nail. Next, apply a liberal amount of cuticle oil to the nail and surrounding skin. Apply your foil removal wrap that has been soaked in acetone. Pinch the tip of the foil and fold upwards for a snug fit. Set a timer for 15 to 20 minutes. For the removal, you can opt to use a cuticle pusher or gel removal tool. Once the recommended time has passed, begin to lift away the Builder Gel from your nail plate using your preferred removal tool. To avoid creating damage on the natural nail, please be mindful to only apply the needed amount of pressure on the areas of the nail that contain the Builder Gel. Once completed, your nail should now be almost bare. You can then use a fine grit nail buffer to remove any residual product that might be remaining on the nail plate. And lastly, reapply your cuticle oil for the replenishment of moisture to your nail and surrounding skin. Your Gentle Gels Builder Gel has now been safely removed and the process is complete.